Daredevils Outdoors, and this is the ice fishing challenge. Oh, they just don't want to eat or something. Oh my gosh, I just broke through. Oh yeah. Oh. I'm king of the mountain.
Let's go!
Is it a wet mess? Ice fishing time! Ew, Charlie! Oh, what is that? That looks like it's dark. That doesn't look safe. At least not right here. Ugh, that looks nasty. I think it's safe. It's good to go, but looks kind of nasty there.
What?
Yes.
Serious?
Yes. Oh, it's still rent. It looks thin over by where we have to cross. You got to be careful. This is all open water right here. I don't know what on earth all of this is. Oh, Jaden, this is not safe ice. Okay, over here, Jaden. And let's move over to the good thick stuff. Sylvie! It's a girl. All right, let's do some ice fishing already. Let's see if there's fish here. I don't know. There's a bunch of fish in this lake. Whatever it is that we catch, like out of any person's imagination, we'll keep it. Ready, set, go. See if there's any fish here. Never fished this spot before, so I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna get hammered. Ready? Yeah.
Sees one on the fish finder.
There's one right here.
Look at them all. Watch them.
I think that's water.
Okay, we're gonna switch spots. This spot's like, maybe there's only trout here or something. I'm not sure. I don't know if they like it. They're like dipping and all this stuff. Like, I don't think they like the,
Well, I remember last time, what bait were we using? Worms.
Okay, let's see if we can get an aggressive fish. I just had a fish come in. It was just so like little though, like not little, but just the little action. Like just came up to sniff it and went. I suspect that the fish are shallow. The further we got, the less fish there was. So maybe they're just like finicky or something. Let's just go real shallow. Let's see what happens. There's a creek that runs through, I think. So I think they're gonna want the warm water, and they're coming up shallow because it's getting warmer out and stuff.
Big one though.
Where are they? Oh no, yeah. Okay, we're getting action. All of a sudden it was nuts. Okay, they're here. Oh my goodness, so many things. Come on, before they leave. Come on here. He's dipping. I'm gonna follow him actually. He just dips. They just don't want to eat or something. He's so freaking shy, man. Yeah, they're just... Oh, here we go. Just shy. Like, this is the smallest rig I have, and he's just itching it.
It's sad. I found a piece of ice.
Did you?
Yeah, a big one.
Nice.
See?
What?
It's on my hand. It's not even cold.
Fish on, yes. Yes.
We caught one.
And it's a small perch. And he just barely, like, I'm throwing this one back, it's too small. But he just barely was itching it, like,
He
man.
just didn't have any desire to like.
I have to keep him because more perch eyes. We need perch eyes.
What?
We need perch eyes.
For?
Bait. So,
Alright.
this is a small fish, but I'm going to keep him for perch eyes. And whatever else, because I might chum some fish, because I need to get them to come in, dude.
So here's something that's interesting.
Gonna get thin over here, so you want to be careful. We're going shallower. We're going by this creek. I think this creek's gonna be good because it stinks where they are. Fishy fish. Fishy fish.
Ew.
Yeah, he's pulling its eyeball out.
Alright, let's see if I fall in right here. I don't. Thin over there.
Don't walk on that! Don't go over there! Yeah. It's more Marvel fantasy. It's not real stuff. It's
Yeah, here we go, fish.
like,
Fish. Oh yeah, there's tons of fish here. There's tons of fish here.
all right,
There's tons of fish.
okay, we found the spot.
There's tons of fish here. Just wait, look at this, look at all this.
Oh my gosh, I gotta get it. Throw one up there.
Fish on, yes. Yes. Oh, bigger one. Oh no, okay. This one's small. I will throw her back because we don't need
Keep going.
Okay. Maybe
Ashton, Daddy was right.
maybe they're just in a certain spot all the time. Here we go. Another small one. Okay, well there's fish here, so we will
Catch one more. I want to get. I want to get.
I have my buckshot rattle spoon on. Now I have a little jig head with a perch eye and a mealworm.
Like this?
Yeah. Do you see it? So weird, man. Alright, we got that line in. We got a little perch jig on it with a little bit of mealworm. I'm just gonna leave it because, like, the fishing's kind of ruddy right now. I don't know. Fish on! I'm keeping them for perch eyes, and I don't know how much, I don't know how many perch we're gonna catch, so I'm just gonna keep the smaller one. There's fish over here, there's tons of them.
The fishy. Is it a good one?
Yeah, I mean, it's small, but I want perch eyes, so we're gonna keep it. There we go.
All right. So, are these the 2 holes you want to do?
Here we go. Come on. I just had a fish come up. There's fish here. Biggest fish, most fish. And then they'll bite when you stop it. Oh no! Here he comes. No, what? Oh, what is it doing?
You didn't catch it. And stay warm. I can start it.
No.
And you can hang out in there so that he can fish a little bit longer.
Fish on, yes.
Does that sound okay?
Yeah.
All right, first fish of the challenge.
I don't know. So, Jaden, you want me to take you to the car now?
I'm just left with myself right now. And I'm gonna see if I can catch some of these finicky fish here. Here we go. There we go, fish on. How big is it? Big perch! Holy cow, yes! Look at that toad! Look at that toad! It was slow to bite though. These fish in here are experiencing a little slow biting thing, so I don't know what that's all about. I grab this perch eye. Let's see if I can't grab a perch out. Oh. Fish on. Oh, darn it. Really quickly. Oh. There we go. How big are you? You are... That's small. No. I don't think we should keep it. No, we're going to throw that back. But, finally. How big is it? No, it's the same. I do need more perch eyes though. Yeah, we'll keep it. Try on there. So I'm ready to send that down and get a hook. Oh, yeah, here he comes. Show him. I'm not keeping that. No way, Jose. No, I just lost him. Here we go. Come on, big fish. Biggies. I got him. It's a small one. I got a big one. It's laying over there by the hole. Shelby!
Why is this like pieces of
Shelby!
glass?
Shelby, baby. Guys, the one that we use for perch eyes, it's like 3 inches long. Or like 4 inches long, 5 inches long, whatever it is. It's small. I don't know if we'll play that. Hey, we'll put it in the perch pile for the better thumbnail, but I don't know if we're gonna keep it. We'll see. We're gonna make our way back. I'll see you guys when we do the cook. Time at the depth trap. Look at all that. Ew. Look at all this open water.
Well, I mean, the earth is warm. So it's going to help the earth first because the ground holds heat.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. All right, here you go. Or maybe it is. Maybe it is safe. Never mind.
Fink's right there.
What?
I'm gonna break the ice.
Oh! Dude, that actually sinks. Open water right here. my gosh, I just broke through. I just fell through. Oh my goodness. Jaden, look at this. I'm just following through.
Oh,
I'm falling through the ice. We got some extra perch here. I'm gonna throw some extra perch into, because we need to get rid of it, and frankly I need more of a meal than just 5 perch, because I want to make a second meal because I want perch and rice. So I'm gonna make what I'm making right now, which is fish and chips, but after I'm gonna make perch and rice. Oh. Oh. This is our little pile of fish here. Ooh, yes, look at that. The fish crisp batter itself is a bit too strong, and I feel kind of muggy. Like, I feel full after like a couple of them because of how much salt or something's in this, and kind of makes me feel gross. So we gotta, I think, because it's like 360 per 1 tablespoon. Is that bad? Is that good? I don't know. Is like, I was gonna spill. Okay, that's like 400. We gotta measure how much sodium's in this so that we can get it right. Hey, my baby. For 43 pieces, 440. That is like, I want to actually use all the batter. That's the thing. I want to use all the batter. All right, here we go. So that's all my batter here. I still think I'm gonna need more. I don't want to use oregano. We're gonna use oregano. Cayenne pepper, salt, basil, lemon pepper. Yes, I'll use basil because I hear it's good. Italian season, we'll use that. Yep. We'll throw a little bit of turmeric in it. I have no idea why we have that as a seasoning. But oh yeah, there's a little bit of dill left. Okay. So we're gonna do, here's what we're gonna do. Oh, what on earth did I just do? I treated it like a boiled egg. Started peeling it. Ridiculous. Okay, here. I'm gonna do. I don't think so. I think we're good. All right, we got all the fish in there. Oh yeah, that little perch mess. Oh yeah. Where do you get the butter on? Oh. Seven. Right in there.
You don't want to use that on me because
What are you doing? Get the All right, I am super hungry. I'm just ready to dig in here. Fries. I put basil on it this time. Whatever that's gonna do. It tastes good. It's crazy, my friends. I just turned that into this. I just turned this into this. This to this. This to this. Last bite of fish right there. Nice little plump piece of perch. Really good breaded. Really good breading. That was good. I tell you what, friends, that meal was good. The perch tasted amazing. We came, we saw, we conquered. See you guys next time. Peace.